welcome back to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Everything is everything, but let's get into these hot topics.
Oh, yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for.
Starting it off with The Flash. So the film just released about a week ago, and Dr. Ross and I had the pleasure of watching it in the cinemas. But one thing I will say, it was an excellent film. 10, if you haven't seen it yet, you really should. It's going to be one of the last ones made by the regular DC team, since they're going to be teaming up with the one guy from Marvel, we're going to put his name right here, the director and writer, to make a whole new universe.
You can't keep getting away with it!
But I can.
The new universe, let Dr. Ross and I be the new Batman and Wonder Woman.
That's right.
They have a lot of spots that they're looking to fill, and we can fill those spots for you.
That's right.
Let's get into our next hot topic.
Starting it off with our She's Hot contest winner, IK and I were pleasured to give the award to Miss Kelly Ripa for the third time. Miss Kelly Ripa, congratulations on your win for the She's Hot contest. This morning, IK and I did not see Mr. Mark Consuelos there with you, so we are here to say, let IK and I join you, Miss Kelly Ripa, for the Kelly Ripa show, and we would love to host with you, as well as Miss Lisa Renna. We think she would be an amazing addition to the show. Her energy is alive. She will pump everyone up, and we love that.
I don't believe this.
That's right, call it the Kelly Ripa panel.
That's right.
We're going to bring some fire to that show. But congratulations once again on your win, Miss Kelly Ripa, as you always deserve.
For our next hot topic, we saw an episode of Sylvester Stallone's new reality show, and he was with his good friend Arnold Schwarzenegger. And Arnold Schwarzenegger was talking about how he's always got animals in the house. In that particular video, we'll put it right here.
Wow, I didn't know you had house guests.
Oh, yeah.
He had a goat walking around the house. We all know that Arnold Schwarzenegger's got all types of animals: pigs, goats, donkeys. He needs to own a zoo.
What do you mean by that?
On to our next hot topic.
And one last thing about that topic. I feel like since they're working on Sylvester Stallone's new Family Stallone's reality TV show, that might have been more set up, more staged, because they had 10 goats walking around his house. But who knows? Maybe he likes the zoo life.
For our next hot topic, they're allegedly saying that Beyonce is a witch.
Sir, I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. How dare you call yourself a Christian? I don't care what pastor you got that is okay with it. I don't care what pastor you got that think it's cool. I don't care what pastor you got that's singing along to their song. When a witch has a coven, it's normally a small thing. Witches' covens are normally 3 to 7 people. When it becomes thousands, it's called a hive. Y'all are part of that lady beehive?
What's new? If you go to her concert, if you don't go to her concert, you go to the church, if you don't go to the church, it's going to be the same outcome. They have the beehive, which apparently people are saying is a cult.
Shadow Wizard Money Gang. We love casting spells. This song is sponsored by the Shadow Government.
So we'll let people answer that one for themselves.
What are you doing? I don't know what I'm doing.
These are all of our hot topics for today. We'll see you all on the next episode. And P.S. Is Kylie Jenner a witch?
I'm rich, bitch.
Let's get into our final update for rosengold.us with, on a lighter note, our cause for preventing gun violence across the entirety of the U.S. and global America.
Exactly. Our foundation is about protecting students and teachers. My brother and I, helping the community is just what we do. There's a lot of work here that needs to be done, but we stand ready.
And my sister and I, we haven't witnessed all of these horrific acts over the centuries, but we know that there has to be more than one way to stop gun violence in global America.
That's right. It isn't a matter of if, it is a matter when more scenarios will happen. And that is our plight, and that is our cause.
That's right.
IK and I are about to go into our class. Hopefully you guys stay humid and stay cool. Get in the pool, get some water because it is hot outside in Texas. We'll see you guys later.
Summer season is here.
All that I had wished for.